is Jihan, and then my mommy name is Silvy.
Okay, we will playing a game about spelling. My turn. How do you spell a pen?
It's just 3. It's so easy for me. P I.
Yeah.
No.
It's okay.
No.
We will continue it. P.
P-E-N.
Yeah. Then
And then the book.
your turn.
My turn.
Okay.
My book.
I will answer right.
Yeah.
P-O-O-K.
Okay.
Is it right?
And then your turn.
Your turn. Okay. Fence. How do you spell fence?
F.
No.
F.
Yeah.
I. F.
Yeah.
E.
E.
F. E.
No. N.
F. E. N. C. E.
Yeah. Okay. That's enough.
And then one again.
One small. One again. What's that about? Door.
Door. It's the door. Not door. It's the door.
The door. Okay. How do you spell door?
Oh, that's easy. D-O-O-R.
Wow. Okay. So, is it
So,
finished?
and then I'm turn.
Your turn. Okay.
This is easy for you. Handphone.
Handphone. H. A. N. T. P. H. O. N. E.
And then one more again.
One more game. So what?
You 3, right?
Yeah, I'm 3.
T-Rex.
T. Y. R. I think it is. Is it E? X.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then
So?
one more again.
No, it's finished.
Huh?
Finished. Okay.
Maybe it's 2.
No, it's. You have already asked me.
And then
4.
you turn again.
No. So bye.
Bye. I don't know it.